MDA 2.0 spokesperson and Cabinet Minister Paul Lyngdoh announced on Tuesday that the state government has identified street vendors in Khandailat and plans to relocate them by June this year. Addressing reporters on Tuesday, Lyngdoh outlined efforts to enhance the area, emphasizing Shillong's status as the rock capital of India. Khandailat is envisioned as a hub for promoting local musical culture, offering opportunities for musicians to showcase their talents. Lyngdoh also disclosed plans to designate the Khandailat Jail Road Umsosun area as a no-vendor zone, aiming to improve pedestrian access by restricting vehicle entry.
Without you by my side, after spending so many nights thinking how you did me wrong, and I grew strong. I learned how to get along, and so you're back from outer space. Just turn around now, with that sad look on your face. I should have changed that stupid lie. I should have made you leave your key, and now I know for just 1 second you'd be back to bother me. Go on now, go, walk out the door. Just turn around now, 'cause you're not welcome anymore. Weren't you the one who tried to hit me with goodbye? Did you think I'd crumble? Did you think I'd lay down and die? Oh no, not I will survive. Oh, as long as I know how to love, I know I'm still alive. I've got all my love to live, I've got all my life to give. I will survive, I will survive. Hey, hey.
The idea behind today's this event, which will conclude this Friday, is that for the first time, the tourism department, in collaboration with the Department of Horticulture, has gone ahead to encourage our growers, our farmers. A couple of weeks back, we have had the Strawberry Festival in villages where strawberries locally grown, that is Aulia, Noron and Sintung villages. And the festival was meant to create awareness and sensitize people about the need to encourage locally grown produce. And today we have gone a step ahead, which is to also bring the produce to the state capital. The idea being that the organic produce, which is strawberry, has got not only huge market potential, but can also create livelihood opportunities for our farmers and growers. So this being the idea behind this market, the more important thing is that we would like to sustain this effort, for which we request members of the public as well as travelers to Meghalaya to visit the stalls here in the heart of the capital city, and thereby encourage the children of the soil who are tilling and engaged in the production of strawberry, so that very soon, like pineapple, strawberry will also grow. The second part of why I would like to address you guys is that earlier on I have shared with you the idea of how Shillong and Khandailat will be declared as a pedestrian zone, where there will be no vehicular traffic inside as you enter Khandailat. We have already made tremendous progress in this respect, and within the month of June, we should be in a position to relocate about 200 vendors, street vendors, who are currently operating and running their business at Khandailat. and they will be rehabilitated. Already the Shillong Municipal Board is on the job, and we expect that they will be able to complete the rehabilitation process by end of June. Once that happens, then this entire area will also become a music hub, starting with the stage that you see here, which will be of a permanent nature. We have been calling ourselves the music capital of India, and therefore this is just the right place where anybody who lands in Shillong will first be welcomed by the sounds of music, tunes, performing artists throughout the year to entertain visitors to Shillong.